Hi there, my name is Stan Crosby, Managing Director of Crosby Insurance Brokers. I just want to give you a heads up on one of the main problems facing property owners when the property becomes unoccupied. Only a very few people understand that in the event of a property being unoccupied for a period exceeding normally 30 days, the insurers would either cancel cover on the basis that they didn't want to proceed further with a property that was going to be uninhabited for an extended period of time, or they would reduce cover significantly, normally down to just fire perils only. So you don't get things like accidental damage, theft cover, vandalism, malicious damage, or anything of that nature. So the insurers, under the rules of disclosure, must be informed as soon as an occupancy takes place. Now this can be for many reasons. You may move out of the area and your existing property is unoccupied, or you have an extended winter break, if you're lucky, in some foreign land, and you come back after 3, 4, 5 months. And also if the property owner passes away and the property then goes off to be distributed amongst the family. In those circumstances, most standard household policies are of no value. You will find that the insurers must be informed of the unoccupancy period, and if failure to do so could render the cover invalid, and if a claim occurred, it simply wouldn't get paid. So can you imagine being away for a month or more, and during that time the property is broken into, the heating system's been removed, the lead's been taken off the roof, and other damage is being done to the property. Under a standard household insurance policy, the cover would not apply. The insurers would make it their business to understand who was in the property, who was in charge of the property at the material time of the loss. So it's very important that you ensure that the property is correctly insured on the right policy, and we do have schemes available through specialist insurance companies who will provide a solution to this particular problem. The premiums are not expensive, but they are with insurers who understand the risk of an unoccupied building or property, either it be residential or a commercial property. They understand the need to make sure that adequate levels of security are in place and that inspections of the property are carried out regularly and recorded. And apart from some minor security requirements, we can normally get almost full cover on most properties that we're presented with. This is really important to consideration for those people who are faced with long periods of unoccupancy. This is particularly important for commercial property owners who may have a tenant, and the tenant may be paying them rent but are not resident in the building. That is still classed as unoccupied, and the insurers must be told, and they must be given the opportunity to either continue cover or withdraw cover and ask for a replacement elsewhere. And again, we do have a really great schemes to deal with this particular problem. So what we'd really like you to do for those people who are facing an extended period of unoccupancy on their property, give us a ring on 0191 565 7590, or jump on our website at www.crosbyinsurance.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you and taking your inquiry and looking after you. All the best. Thank you.